Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. London is one of the world's most dynamic and diverse cities, and with so much to see and do, understanding how to move around efficiently is essential. In this guide, we'll take a closer look at London's transport system, from the underground and iconic red buses to trains, river services, and practical tips that will help you travel with confidence. The London Underground, more commonly called the Tube, is the backbone of the city's transport network. With 11 lines and nearly 300 stations, it connects almost every part of London. Each line is represented by a distinct colour on the tube map, making it easy to follow. A few things to keep in mind: always stand on the right when using escalators. This is a strict local custom. Services generally run from around 5 in the morning until midnight, though on Fridays and Saturdays the Victoria, Jubilee, Central, Piccadilly and Northern lines operate through the night. Peak travel times are between 7 and 9 in the morning, and again from 5 to 7 in the evening. Journeys outside these hours are usually far more comfortable. The tube can appear daunting at first, but with just a little practice, it quickly becomes one of the most efficient ways to cross the city. To travel on the underground, buses, or most trains, you will need either an Oyster card or a contactless bank card. Simply tap in at the start of your journey and tap out at the end. The system automatically calculates the lowest fare for the day. Avoid purchasing single paper tickets, as they are considerably more expensive. Also, be sure to use the same card or device for both entry and exit, as switching between a phone and a physical card may result in you being charged twice. During longer stays, weekly fare caps for Oyster and contactless payments make travelling more economical. London's red double-decker buses are as iconic as the Tube and often more affordable. A single bus fare is lower than a tube journey, and you can take unlimited bus rides within 1 hour for the same price. Buses run 24 hours a day, which makes them particularly useful once the underground has closed. Although traffic can slow journeys, riding on the top deck provides one of the best free sightseeing opportunities in the city. Remember, you only need to tap your card when you board. There is no need to tap out when you leave. In addition to the underground and buses, London provides several other transport options. The London Overground links many districts that the Tube does not serve. The Docklands Light Railway, or DLR, operates driverless trains through East London. The Elizabeth Line, London's newest service, provides high-speed connections across the city and directly to Heathrow Airport. For something more scenic, Thames Clippers operate river buses along the Thames, offering striking views of London's landmarks. Depending on your destination, these services can be faster, more comfortable, or simply more enjoyable than the Underground. Central London is surprisingly compact and walkable. For short distances, walking is often the quickest and most pleasant way to get around. Cycling has become increasingly popular. Santander cycles, often nicknamed Boris bikes, can be rented from docking stations throughout the city. They are inexpensive, and the first 30 minutes are especially good value. Lime bikes provide another flexible option. These electric dockless bicycles can be hired through a mobile app and left in designated parking areas, removing the need for docking stations. Their pedal assist feature offers additional support, making them particularly useful for longer journeys or hilly routes. Although more expensive than traditional bike hire, Lime bikes are an efficient and environmentally friendly choice for short trips or exploring areas not easily reached by public transport. London's black cabs remain a familiar sight and are known for their knowledgeable drivers, but they are significantly more expensive than public transport. Ride-sharing apps such as Uber and Bolt are also widely available. To conclude, here are 3 key tips for navigating London efficiently. First, download the Citymapper app, which offers accurate real-time directions and updates for all modes of transport. Second, check for planned weekend engineering works, as sections of the network may be temporarily closed for maintenance. Finally, allow time to enjoy the journey itself. Whether travelling by tube, bus, riverboat or on foot, moving through London is an integral part of experiencing the city. With so many transport options, London can be explored easily and comfortably. I hope these tips make your journeys through the city more enjoyable and stress-free. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.